two, three, four. Well, things have been a little complicated. While the tea life has got me down. Well, sex is cheap and talk is overrated. And the boys and me still working on the sound. Well, a little happiness, a little love was all I wanted. Sure as hell thought I'd found it, but I was wrong. She left my heart feeling torn, and my memories all haunted. With her I have to thank all my song.
Hey, welcome to the channel. I recently changed my engine oil, so now when I start my vehicle, my engine oil light comes on, and I was getting ready to shut it off, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So you turn your vehicle to your accessory position, and you pump your gas pedal 3 times, and it should flash, and then once it goes off, that'll do it. Now I want to start my vehicle. That won't come on. Alrighty, that did it. Alright, thanks guys.
So every day I'm smoking my brain hazy. All I can do to keep from going crazy, but the paranoia slowly creeping in. Well, I keep drinking myself silly on the way for this hellbilly. And I thank God for this here life of sin.